Apple's iOS 18 update was officially released on September 16th, introducing a wide range of new features and enhancements across multiple apps. With the arrival of Apple Intelligence, this update adds deeper customization options, including redesigned elements for the home screen, lock screen, and control center. Major new features include home screen customization, allowing users to swap out app shortcuts and personalize their layout. You can now change app shortcuts directly on the lock screen, giving you faster access to your most used apps. The Control Center has received a complete makeover, now featuring a power button in the top right corner for easier access. The Settings app is now more organized, consolidating all installed apps into one location for easier navigation. The Photos app now allows you to hide screenshots and includes new content categories for better organization. A major fix allows music to continue playing while snapping photos or videos, addressing a long-standing user complaint. The Messages app now allows users to schedule messages for later and share full-resolution images. Safari introduces a clutter removal tool and summary highlights to improve user experience. The Weather app now displays the feels like temperature, providing more accurate conditions. Maps has added topographic maps and offline hiking routes, enhancing outdoor navigation. The Notes app now supports collapsible sections and audio recording for better organization. iOS 18 includes several accessibility upgrades, such as eye tracking for controlling the iPhone interface.